Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a clean flicker transition in CapCut. It's super simple, but it looks amazing. First, grab your two videos and place them back to back on the timeline. Find the first frame that you want to use of your second clip, and then, by pressing here, select Freeze Frame. Drag the freeze frame and place it on top of your first clip, right before the transition point. Now in the video settings, go to Remove Background and select Auto Removal. This will isolate your subject from the background. Then make it last half a second and cut it into 1 frame intervals. So basically every frame is a separate cut. Now here's the flicker part. Every 2 frames make your subject fully white. You can do this by turning up brightness, exposure and other lighting effects. Then every 4 frames make the background black. This gives the strobe flash look.
And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.